Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a ringtone on your iPhone running iOS 18. Adding a ringtone is really simple, so let me show you how you can do this. So first you need to go into settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see sounds and haptic. Tap on it. Now from here you want to go ahead and tap on ringtone. And as you can see, there's already ringtones installed from iPhone itself. However, if you want to install your own custom ringtone, at the top here you can use the tone store. Tap on it, then tap on tones. Now here you can use this library to preview the tones and buy it as per your need. However, for those of you who don't want to spend the money, then you can go back. So for those of you who want free ringtones, then you can use an app called GarageBand, and you can basically create ringtones from, let's say, YouTube or maybe a TikTok video. So there you go guys, that is how to add a ringtone to your iPhone running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.